So this is one of the recent question I got, and let's start with help with the Google Ads copy structure. Hello everyone, I run a local home service business offering furnace and duct cleaning, residential, commercial plus HRV, fireplace, humidifier, central VAC, dryer vent cleaning, residential, rooftop, accessible plus commercial, tune up and repair furnace and AC, and carpet upholstery cleaning, residential, commercial plus area plus rugs. From what I have learned from Google Ads course and from ChatGPT, I should create separate campaigns or at least ad groups per service. What do you guys suggest? I have a follow-up meeting with this Google rep tomorrow, and would love to know whether to push for different campaigns or ad groups or keep the same. Started Google Ads campaign for the first time ever 2 weeks ago. Monthly budget is getting $500 and average ticket size is $350. Is it even worth it? Any advice will be greatly appreciated. Okay, so there are a few advices which I think should be the part of your meeting with the Google rep. First of all, that I do not highly recommend you to rely solely on Google Ads rep because they do not know much, and your own backup and follow up will definitely help you in optimizing your campaign structures. So as far as this thing, my opinion is going to be that a different campaign needed to be created for each service. For instance, furnace and duct cleaning, I would create a different campaign. Dryer vent cleaning, I would create a different campaign. Tune up and repairs, I would create a different campaign. And carpet and upholstery cleaning, I would create a different campaign. And my ad groups would be depending upon residential, commercial, HRV. So I will create ad groups for each service. For like so for each of these services, I will create different ad groups. This could be a campaign name for mine. All of the service need different campaigns. So this is how I'm going to be strategize my campaign. And for the keywords, I will be starting with small. I do not recommend you to add a lot of keywords, but start with small campaign, small number of keywords. It's ideally 3 to 5 or maximum 7 keywords for each ad group, and the keyword should be phrase or exact match. I will also add some negative keywords at start, for instance free, hack, scam, but I will definitely look around on my search terms on everyday basis to figure out new keywords and then keep on adding those. And I will also do conversion tracking, plus I will run for ad schedules. I will not run because this is a local home service, so please try to understand that running 24 hours may not be a good idea, but in the working hours or daytime this can definitely bring you good results. So my recommendation is going to be 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. for the local time. And as far as you are saying regarding is it worth it or not, definitely I do not know the areas you are targeting, so look around for those areas and see what the competitors are doing, plus work on your landing page. Landing page optimization plays a crucial role, plus your reviews on Google or Trustpilot, whatever your Google business profile, how many reviews you got on your Google business profile. Or optimization of Google business profile matters a lot. Plus if you have Trustpilot or any other ways to review, get reviews, do focus on that. Also create local case studies for the clients on how you were able to help. Create videos if possible, so you can add them on your landing page, plus you can also connect with the clients regarding these, and this can definitely help you in optimizing your Google campaign structure and getting more sales. Plus with ad copies, my recommendation is going to be minimum 2 ad copies per ad group, and then we can decide on how well it's working. And if possible, if you can have a different landing page for each of your service, this can also help you in getting more sales with all of the 4 landing pages equally linking back to each other. But this way will be a great way to optimize, and I hope this answers your question. Thank you for watching. And in case if you need a detailed Google Ads audit, setup, management, or meta ads, or digital marketing services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.